Hi, I'm Ben Gunkel from PlayBox Technology, and I'm going to show you a sneak preview of our CloudAir software. CloudAir is a web-based interface which allows users to set up multiple channels, QC their assets, inbuilt transcoder, inbuilt scheduling tool, inbuilt graphics creation tool. It gives them all the tools that they need with the familiar PlayBox products, all through a web browser for cloud-based applications. Let's have a closer look at the software. First of all, users are greeted with a login page, unique username and ID. When you log into the application, it actually runs through a web browser. This one's running on Chrome, but it looks like a desktop application, so it's very similar to a Windows environment. Your tools are on screen on the desktop. You also have the menu, very similar to the Start menu, which gives you the same options in a familiar environment. If we go to Control Panel, this gives us the ability to set up new users. I've set up myself as a user for this demonstration. I enter my details, new user, my name, my email, my rights. Once I've completed that, the system sends me an email with a username and password, so I can log in to the system. I can set up new channels. You'll see here we've set up for demo purposes 4 channels: CABSAT 1, CABSAT 2, CABSAT 3 and CABSAT Demo Ben. Users can simply click a button here to set up a new channel, give it a name, time zone, description, transcode profile. If they have an existing title box system where they want to control the graphics through the CloudAir system, they put the title box IP address and port number in here, set a thumbnail for the channel, hit save, and it creates a new channel. The CloudAir looks like a PC desktop. It is actually an application in a web browser. Users have the ability from this screen to go into the media browser, the playlist manager, the QC engine, the transcoder, the metadata engine, or the graphic editor. So it really gives you everything you need to set up a channel. Let's take a look at the media browser. So media browser gives the ability to upload content to your PlayBox cloud. So if I select some media from my media folder, as soon as I hit upload, there's a progress bar at the bottom right-hand side of the screen, which shows me how much of my file has been transferred to the cloud, shows me the status, and how much space is remaining within the storage. Once the file's uploaded to CloudAir, in the background, the system's creating a proxy file, which has just been completed now. So my file has been stored in my original format that I predetermined on my transcode engine, as well as a proxy file. So here it shows me the parameters of the file I've uploaded. I also have the clip trimmer, which will be familiar to PlayBox users. So I can play the file, and I can select multiple in and out points. So I can say I want my file to start here, and then I want it to end there, for example. As soon as I hit apply, a new version of the trimmed file will appear here in my media library, where I can actually download the full res version of that file that I've created, and then I can use these files to create my playlist. I can also, if I like, I can send my file to the quality control engine, which is built into CloudAir, or to the transcoder, or I can share my content with other users. So other people within the organisation can receive the files that I've created, uploaded or trimmed. And I can also attach other assets to this asset, so I can attach some additional video or some additional audio files, some subtitles, or I can create my own unique parameters to upload. So this gives you a basic overview of the media browser capability of CloudAir, and all of the time while my applications are open. If I open a couple more and minimize them, they're actually available very similar to the Windows environment along the bottom here, so I don't need to keep opening a new application every time I want to switch between features. I just simply click the taskbar. Okay, so CloudAir is also available through any web browser. This can be a mobile phone browser. Here I'm using my BlackBerry as an example. My email, my password, my user ID. I simply log in, and my CloudAir desktop is available through my mobile phone, including all of the functionality which you get in the desktop. I can use the media browser, create playlists, send my files to QC, send them to a transcoder, or create graphics templates, even create new users, all within my mobile phone. We will be developing mobile apps for iOS and Android in due course, but for the time being, it's available through a standard web browser. The CloudAir will be officially launched at NAB 2016, or for more information, please go to playboxtechnology.com.